How to fix BattleBit Remastered not launching. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable latest supported downloads. Just search it up and then just open up the very first link that you will see, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you need to just scroll down a little bit and then download this option of x86 and x64. Just download it and install it and make sure that both of them are installed on your PC. After that, you need to also make sure that you have excluded the BattleBits from your virus and security. So for that, just go on your search bar and search for security and go to your security and virus sections and go into the exclusions, and after that add BattleBits over there. After you complete this process, you need to open up Steam, and in your Steam just go to the properties of BattleBit, and there you need to select the Easy Cheat button and click on play, and this way Easy Cheat will be installed. And after that, you can go to the properties again and change it back to play as soon as you start the play button. So just play it and it will be working quite fine. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.